Tired of wrestling with your dog's food bag? Let's get that delicious kibble into your pup's bowl, frustration-free. First, identify the top of your bag. You'll notice a sealed seam, often reinforced. Don't immediately go for brute force tearing here, as it can be tough and messy. Look carefully along the top edge. Most bags have a convenient resealable zipper closure. Underneath a sealed flap, gently feel for it, or carefully lift the top edge to expose it. Once you've located the zipper, use your fingers to carefully slide it open. Start from one end and move steadily across. This is your key to easy access and fresh food. With the zipper open, you can now easily pour the kibble. This method prevents the bag from tearing awkwardly and preserves the integrity of the closure for later. After feeding your furry friend, simply slide the zipper back across to seal the bag. This keeps the food fresh, locks in nutrition, and prevents spills. For best storage, lay the bag on its side after sealing. This method helps to prevent the kibble from shifting and makes it easy to open and close each time. And there you have it. Simple steps for a hassle-free opening experience. Now go spoil that good boy or girl.